Hey Challenger owners, tired of that outdated factory stereo? Upgrade your 2008 to 2014 Dodge Challenger with this incredible Android 13 head unit for just $199. 15. Get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, GPS navigation, a massive 64 gigabytes of storage, built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, all seamlessly integrated. Transform your driving experience with a modern, intelligent system. Click the link below to order yours today and experience the future of in-car entertainment.